Travels to Preston here, and your boy is at James Madison Montpelier again, all right? So this is my third time up here, and this time I'm bringing you something special, all right? So I'm actually doing a 3.5-day historic cooking expedition, and the chef is my homeboy, is my man, Jerome Bias. So right now we're on the south line, and directly behind me is the is Montpelier. You can see kind of right there. And then right here are the slave quarters. If you kind of look right here, that's them right now setting up. We're gonna essentially be learning some of the foods that enslaved people used to cook for their masters and stuff like that, AKA James Madison and his family and all of his people that used to come and visit, all right? So he got a lot of traditional dishes that the people are going to be preparing. It's kind of like we get a glimpse into how the enslaved used to live and actually used to cook and stuff like that. So I'm super excited. I've never done anything like this before. So make sure you stay tuned.